A myriad of mirrors moves with the sun. The super battery never stops. The iron towers rises up tall, creating a clean energy corridor stretching thousands of miles. Advancing toward new quality productive forces and green energy. China is building the energy world of the future. Over 3,000 years ago, the ancestors of ancient China's Western Zhou dynasty invented a miraculous tool for harnessing fire from sunlight, yang sui. They ingeniously cast bronze into yang sui, or bronze concave mirrors, to gather the scorching sunlight onto mugwort fluff, placed at the center of the concave surface. "3,000 years later, Chinese engineers continue to harness sunlight for energy in a desert rich in wind and solar resources. Sunlight pierces through the clouds, and huge silver sunflowers track the sun move. This super solar thermal power station represents an emerging power generation technology with a broad future prospect and will power our future world. Cheo Tao is one of the engineers who designed this superpower station.
他们好像躲得挺厉害，就是这个今天的风比较大。我来的这次的目的是为了收集数据，校正我的模型，让我的仿真结果更加准确。
Unlike photovoltaic power generation, solar thermal power does not directly convert light energy into electrical energy. The 14,500 heliostats here act as highly efficient sunlight miners. They automatically follow the trajectory of the sun, reflecting sunlight at an impressive 95% efficiency onto a 181-meter tall heat-absorbing tower. Once the temperature reaches 565 degrees Celsius, the 30,000 tons of molten salt in the tower will be melted and flow to the bottom, then generates high-pressure steam to drive the turbine for power generation.
每个电力机呢能够独立的跟踪太阳，同时在我们的上位还有一个中央控制系统，能够同时指挥这14500个电日镜。 你可以把它想象成是一个将军，带领14500个士兵，打一场很大的战役。
Unpredictable and ever-changing weather is the greatest threat to solar thermal power. Low temperatures can cause metal fatigue. Even a deviation of just 1 milliradian can result in a reflection error of approximately 2 meters. To ensure absolute precision, the complex operating conditions of the power plant must be repeatedly simulated before the project is put into use. Additionally, staff here must be thoroughly trained to handle more than 3,000 different operational scenarios. Developing an efficient and reliable simulation and training system has become imperative. Over 2,000 kilometers away, in the city of Xi'an, lies the Solar Thermal Power Plant Simulation Center of China Power Engineering Consulting Group's Northwest Electric Power Design Institute. Here, Cheo Tao and his team spent 4 years developing the world's first solar thermal power plant simulator.
仿真系统相当于虚拟了一个真实的电站。项目投运之前，我们可以在这套仿真系统上做各种各样的测试。那么它可以通过这个测试结果，可以帮助我们去优化我们的设计值，能够帮助我们更好的去运行这座电站，并且能够提前的培训我们的电站操作人员。
When the sun falls down, the heliostats stop running. The molten salt tank beneath the solar tower transforms into a super battery, generating electricity continuously for 24 hours. This advantage of stable, all-weather power generation perfectly compensates for the instability of wind and solar power.
熔岩罐呢，它实际上是储热的，它这个温度可以到560-70度的这么一个高温。那么对我们来讲，面临一个问题就是，工艺要求这个罐子每天的温度损失不能超过1度。那么我们熔岩罐这个基础的设计啊，就非常重要的，它要保温，还要支撑上面数万吨的重量，它实际上是应力和温度的耦合作用。
As an energy infrastructure template of the new quality productive forces, the 50-megawatt Hami Solar Thermal Power Tower plant has achieved an annual electricity supply of 198.3 million kilowatt-hours. Enough to provide electricity for the living needs of 240,000 people for an entire year. How to transmit the electricity generated in the Gobi Desert to distant cities. Another super project known as the Electricity Highway is the answer.
53073号，我从上往下测啊。
Several aerial energy corridors, utilizing world-leading electricity transmission technology, continuously deliver clean electricity to countless households in China.
目前正在做的就是对500千伏线路进行无人机自主巡视，对输电线路的杆塔的本体进行查缺。
Changji Guchan transmission line is the only plus or minus 1,100 kilovolts ultra-high voltage direct current transmission line in the world. Thousands of iron towers support super wires spanning over 3,000 kilometers across deserts, mountains, and lakes. In just 7 milliseconds, it can light up 400 million lamps in China's eastern cities. It has set 4 world records: the highest voltage level, the largest transmission capacity, the longest transmission distance, and the most advanced technology, earning it the title of Electricity Como Langla. Guchuan Converter Station is the end point of this long-distance transmission, where the conveniently transmitted ultra-high voltage direct current is converted into the electricity people use in daily life.
能源中心和负荷中心呢不在一个地方，这就需要我们把西北、西南的能源输送到华东地区。我们特高压呢，首先它的输电容量很大，而且我们电压相对高呢，线路传输的损耗呢也会偏低，这样呢就可以很好的匹配我们国家现在能源和负荷这么一个现状。
As night falls, the robotic dog leaves the docking area. It follows a preset route into equipment zone, adjusting its movements according to the surrounding environment. This is an intelligent inspection robot equipped with a VR holographic camera. It can also avoid obstacles automatically through ultrasonic waves.
这些机器呢，大量的替代了人工。我们有现场很多摄像头，机器到现场，它可以并行的进行开展啊，通过计算机呢进行一个分析，那这样呢大大节省了时间。那么利用这些现场的机器人、摄像头、无人机，我们可以看到大量我们人到不了的地方，人看不到的地方。
Operating the converter station is the most dangerous challenge. Huge precision instruments must undergo the test of voltages above 800 kilovolts. Just 1 millimeter of breakage can cause a terrible short circuit, endangering the electrical safety of 50 million households. Fortunately, Guchuan Converter Station is China's first ultra-high voltage plus 5G base station. Trendy and cutting-edge technology, along with artificial intelligence, helps operations and maintenance personnel win the race against time by detecting potential hazards in advance. To achieve the carbon neutrality goal by 2060, China is taking action. Building a new power system primarily based on wind and solar energy, along with a highly intelligent grid and promoting green energy development with new quality productive forces is the future choice for China's energy transition. A report of International Energy Agency shows that China's investment in clean energy exceeds 30% of the world's total. From Yang Sui to the shining mirrors, more than 3,000 years have passed, yet humanity's pursuit of new energy has never ceased and will provide new momentum for the future of the world.